Hey guys, it's me, Ace here, and today we're going to be making cornbread. I love cornbread. And if you hear any ringing in the background, it's just my dog running because she's hanging out with us today because she wants food. So let's get started. So I have this cornbread mix that I pour into this small bowl. I'm using a small bowl because it's not that much of mix. So I just pour it in. You have to make sure everything is out. I check the bag just to make sure. So then I have a whisk. Usually I just pound the cornbread mix, because there's like little chunks of cornbread mix, and it kind of like irritates the cornbread, and it gets like really chunky and thick, so we don't want that. So the next step is milk. So I have some pre-poured milk here, and I use 1/3. Use whatever your cornbread mix says. So I just pour it in, and then I mix it up. It's very cool whenever it mixes up because it forms together. And you have to make sure you get all of the mix in there so that it won't be powdery at the bottom. So next, I put an egg. You have to be careful to make sure there's no shells whenever you put it in, because you don't want to be eating crunchy cornbread. So you have to mix it up really good. Like I said, you have to make sure the powder is all mixed up. And then whenever it's cooking, it smells your house up. It smells like a cornbread house because I love when it smells the house, and I just smell cornbread all day. So I mixed it up all the way. And now I'm gonna pour it into my bowl or pan or whatever you use. I just use a small bowl to put it into, and it is the perfect size. Then I'm gonna put some cooking spray in it to make sure it doesn't stick whenever you take it out. You have to spray all the sides to make sure it doesn't stick. The next step is to pour it in. When I pour it in, I use a spatula, so it's easier to do. It's way easier to do, to pour it in, and it's much faster, so you can eat cornbread faster. So you have to make sure all the sides are in. And you have to shake it up to make sure it's evenly placed or cooked, evenly cooked. And here it is. And also, you want to make sure for safety. So you want to use oven mitts, and make sure an adult is with you or adult permission or supervision. And I'm not going to put this in the oven today, but here is the end result of it. The end result of it. It looks very good and very tasty. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!